Just 14 minutes ago, a 4.4 magnitude earthquake struck near Santa Rosa, Sonoma County, California, USA. The tremor was recorded late at night on Tuesday, April 11, 2023, at 10:39 p.m. local time, at a very shallow depth of 1.2 miles below the surface. The event was filed by the United States Geological Survey, the first seismological agency to report it. A second report was later issued by the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, which listed it as a magnitude 4.1 earthquake. A third agency, the Citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, reported the same quake at magnitude 4.4.
Are you all my personal dreams?